dog.
He live over here?
Yeah, he lives over here.
He don't.
Yes, but I almost got on the
It's his friend. Who's he? I tell you we know him. He said I'm.
Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Party of 7. So, guys, this is part 2 of my homemade stuffing recipe. So, if you guys have not already, make sure you check out part 1, which is, it's not titled part 1, but it's actually where I actually made the cornbread itself. We did the homemade cornbread. This video is of me just actually making the stuffing, guys. The kids just got in, so it's a little bit loud, so I'm most definitely going to do a voiceover on this video. But yeah, guys, I am going to be teaching you how to make a nice homemade stuffing. Thanksgiving is around the corner. Actually, Christmas is around the corner too. I'm most excited for Christmas, so y'all know what I'm saying. But guys, before we get into this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and give this video a nice big thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. That was a little bit better than the other video, because the other video, I ain't saying, the dirt was a little dry. Alright, let's get into it.
Okay, so we already have the cornbread from the last video. We're just going to go ahead and start smashing it down and making it nice and crumbly, guys. This is why I like to make it the way that I did, because as you can see, it's nice and thick and nice and full. So that makes me excited and very, very happy, guys. So yeah, I'm very excited about the turnout. I just know this dressing is going to come out amazing. So yeah. You just take your time and just chop up your bread really good and just do it to your liking. If you want to leave some big chunks in it, leave some big chunks in it. If you want to make it all nice and smooth, make it all nice and smooth, guys. Just cook the way that you like it and wait into the way that your patience fit your lifestyle, okay? I'm a mama of 5. I try to do everything fast. I don't go for perfect every single time I cook. I just go for good and delicious and ready to go. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Okay, now in my hot pan, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start cooking up my peppers and my onions. So I'm going to start off with some vegetable oil just to kind of coat the pan a little bit. I just placed my vegetable oil in. I preheated my pan to medium. So, do whatever you like. I'm not going to season any of my peppers and onions. So on my plate, I have my yellow, my green, my red, and orange peppers, guys. I went ahead and cut up the full pepper, guys, but pay attention to the ingredients down below in the description box, because I did not use all of it. It tells you exactly what you need to use. But, I'll do my best to make sure that I go over it. I just let you guys know that everything's in the description box just in case I don't say anything. Because, guys, I'm very new to cooking videos and I'm having fun doing them, but I'm still learning myself. So, now once it cooked down a little bit, I went in with my onion. This is a all white onion, guys. I peeled everything off and I just cut it to my best of my ability. Guys, we didn't go to school for this, you know what I'm saying? You didn't go to school for it, so don't be coming over here judging, talking about it's too big, it's too small. Look, I did what needed to be done, okay? Don't come on my channel judging me, okay? That's all I got to say. Don't come on my channel judging me, guys. And thank you so much for getting that macaroni home style video up, guys. Y'all showed out. Now we're going to go into that mix with the stovetop turkey mixture. I'm going to just add that right on top, guys. I decided to just use 1 pack. The pack that I had 2. I'll only use 1. And if you feel like you want to go in and use 2 packs, use 2 packs, guys. Just do whatever you want to do, okay? This came out very, very thick. I could have used, you can use like a larger pan so that it can kind of spread a little bit better, because the saucepan that I did get, I'm just gonna be bluntly honest with you, it was kind of cramped in there. It was just real hard to mix because everything was like flying all over the place, and you will see me like going back and forth trying to like wash my hands and clean my mess up and wash my hands and clean my mess up. But we're gonna go in with 1 can of cream. I think this is the celery. This is either the cream celery or the cream of chicken, guys, but I have 1 can each. It's kind of hard to tell which is what. I think I put the cream of chicken in first, but it don't matter which can you put in first. I'm gonna be honest with you, I just don't know which one I put in first. Like, to me it looks the same. You know what I'm saying? It just looks the same. Or maybe it don't. We about to find out. But I went ahead and just mixed that in really good. Oh, this is the cream of celery. I see it. Okay, so I missed it on the first one. This is the cream of celery. And that is the second can that I'm going to place in. Y'all, it smells like a dog food. Like, I don't know why it smells that way. I just don't understand, you know? I just don't get it. But it was delicious, so I guess it worked out. I feel like canned food. I just don't like stuff that comes out of a can. That's me. That's my personal preference. Like, the smell, it's the smell for me. But okay, let me stop, guys, because look, we got to show y'all how to make this stuff. Y'all see me trying to clean and all that. I'll be really trying to clean as I go, because I used to not do that, and then I get done cooking, I'll look around the kitchen, it's just like stuff everywhere, and I'll be like, oh my God. But now that I like have kids and stuff, I really just learned to just put stuff up, clean as you go, get what you can while you can get it, baby. It's gonna save your life. But now we're gonna go in with our seasonings. That is going to be my garlic powder, some pepper. I didn't do a lot of pepper, guys, and one of the reasons why I didn't do a lot of pepper is because, baby, I wasn't going to keep on twisting my wrist, okay? I was trying to find the other pepper that was already crushed, and I couldn't find it, so I had that one, and I said, yeah, it's just going to be a little bit. And then we're going to end with our onion powder. And what am I stepping back looking for? I'll be looking for whatever. And then we are going to be using our red peppers. I threw red peppers in because I like a little kick in all of my food, okay? And this is sage. Guys, y'all, I didn't know how important it was to put sage in this recipe, baby, honey. And I'm telling you, it does the job. Like, did I need any other ingredients? Just saying, that sage hit. And it smelled really good. It's just, don't make stuffing without sage, okay? And I know there's some people that might be allergic to it, but if that's the case, just don't eat stuffing, because why are you gonna make people mess up their recipe because they need the sage? You know, they just need it. So I do. Look at me cleaning up again. I just can't. I was getting irritated. Like, I was just like, it's just not happening. It's either go ahead and get it now, or I was just gonna throw it straight on the floor and sweep it up later. Baby, I just start just getting little stuff out of the way. Okay, we back. We getting back to it. Okay, you know what I'm saying? We getting back to it. I had to check the camera, make sure the food was still in the frame. So we're gonna go in with this celery. I chopped up three celery sticks. And this is one chicken breast, guys. I left the skin on. You can choose to leave the skin on or leave the skin off. It's up to you. Like, I'm going to always say it. It's up to you. And, baby, I had to go to the store and get some chicken broth, which y'all are not going to believe what I did. I was making my homemade chicken broth and kept it cooking and kept it cooking and kept it cooking. Why did it go completely out? Like, it burned out, baby. I looked at that pan or the pot and I was like, where's my broth? Girl, it was nothing in there but driblets. So, yeah, if you're going to make some homemade broth, make sure you keep an eye on that thing, because, baby, once it's gone, it's gone. There's no getting it back. But luckily, I got my chicken. I had my chicken, but I did have to go to the store and get some chicken broth. Thanks to babe. I sent him straight to the store. But I'm just mixing it in. The chicken broth is what's going to keep it moist, okay? So I ended up using that entire carton, okay? And then I went in and used a second one. You may or may not see it. I don't know. But we're moving on. And you guys see me with my onions. We are only going to use half of that pan. You see what I'm saying? Half. We're not using it all. Half. Check the measurements down below. Okay, because I know how to eyeball some stuff for measurements. But if you don't know how to eyeball, baby, I'm going to need you to check the measurement box, okay? Because you can just throw this stuff together and it's still going to be good. Like, I'm just saying. But check the measurements if you need the measurements that bad. So I'm just going ahead, mixing everything in, getting everything nice and coated, still making a mess because, I should have picked a larger pan for this. Lesson learned. But you get a larger pan. Make sure you get something larger, okay? This is me trying it. And, baby, it did just fine. And, yes, I put that fork right back in there because, baby, I breeded everybody that I'm cooking for. So I did what I did. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going back into those seasonings because I just felt like it needed a little bit more, you know, a little bit more. And that sage, we got to throw some more of that sage in there because that sage is the kicker. And I could taste the sage in the food. And I'm thinking about using it in more recipes because honestly, this was my first time using sage. And hands down, I love it. I freaking love it. I did not go back into them crunch peppers, those red peppers, but I did go back into that chicken broth. So that concluded that first can of broth. And I'm just getting everything mixed, guys. Like, that's all you can do is take your time and mix everything in, make it nice and smooth. Make sure that everything is coated. Make sure that it's not dry. Like, you know, this is how I do it. Do it how you do it. But this is how I do it. You know, I really don't know what else to say. And I don't know how long I mixed. But we're going to go ahead and move on from here. Okay? So it's time to just go ahead and smoothen everything out before placing it into the oven, guys. And yeah, that is the recipe for this. I'm going to place it in the oven for 350 degrees. I am going to leave it in the oven for about 45 minutes, mainly until everything is cooked through and nicely brown. I just go for the brown top. Once I know that the top is brown, I know that it's done. So I don't use a timer. I'm just going to be honest. My body just knows when to go get my food. So yeah. And this is what it looked like once it came out. The pan was still a little bit hot and I tried to pick it up, but it wasn't too bad. But guys, look at it. It looks so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I went ahead and just threw a little bit on the plate, guys, just to show you what it looks like. It's nice and moist and it's just so freaking delicious. Like, when I took my first bite, I was like, I really did that. I really did that. It was so freaking good, guys. And then I threw a little bit of like leftover ham pieces right there just to add to the plate, guys. You know, it just looks so good. It was very moist. The flavor was amazing, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed and like this video, guys. Bye.